Perhaps the single most important part of a digital marketing campaign and being a digital marketing boss is a great call to action. Throughout my career, I've actually seen 3 different types of calls to action be very, very effective for both B2C and B2B marketing campaigns. Let's go through them. So the first is free resource downloads. These are thought leadership pieces of content that people want, and they're willing to trade you their email, their phone, their name, their title, whatever other fields you require to get. And so I've had a ton of success with these 3 specifically: infographics, ebooks, and webinars. You've probably heard the phrase content is king. It absolutely is in the world of generating really high quality leads and conversions from targeted custom audiences and targeted lists. All right, number 2, limited time opportunities. For your company, it might take a different shape or size, but the psychology of it is the same. Some of the more common ones I see: free trials, free samples, limited time discounts, contests, and giveaways. All of these are great ways to get people on your lead prospect list to convert, to fill out their information, to trigger a form submission or a phone call that, of course, gets in front of a sales rep so that that sales rep can have a great conversation about your product or your service. The third type of call to action that has to be woven into number 1 and number 2 is a demo request or a free demo. You might call it a walkthrough, you might call it a strategy session, or you might call it a consultation. The most important thing to realize about free demo call to actions is that they don't happen without 1 or 2. Let me repeat myself. I've seen for years and years and years companies in all types of industries try to directly solicit prospects, whether that be business or consumer, with a come and get a free demo, come and get a free consultation. And the reality is that those campaigns always, I mean it, always fall flat if that brand has not done a good job with compelling content and great limited time opportunities. That being said, there's a rule, and this is my own rule that I've seen, again, across many, many industries over the course of the last decade. For every 10 resource downloads and limited time opportunities that you're able to generate, those types of conversions, you will naturally receive 1 demo request. Let's talk about a couple of those variables that are really important. So for example, if you're producing a live webinar or you're doing an ebook, if somebody downloads this resource, it's very, very important that the person that's following up with that individual does a great job doing it in a timely manner. We've all heard the speed to lead speech. We'll have another webinar all about speed to lead. And that they're smart and that they can relate to the person and they know what the person did and watched and downloaded. Really, really important. If you do that, again, out of 10 people that download an infographic, 1 of them will agree to do a demo or do a walkthrough of your product. Similarly, with limited time opportunities, it is key that when a person follows up with that type of a lead, whether it be a discount, a giveaway, or a trial, that they are very specific about what they want to help the customer do with that limited time opportunity, that there's some time sensitivity to. And again, to review, everybody, all our customers, my boss included, everybody wants free demos and they think that free demos grow on tree. I'm here to tell you, they don't. You have to have great and compelling calls to actions that showcase you and your brand as a thought leader that has something incredibly valuable and limited to offer. Thanks for your time. Hopefully this session has been helpful. Please reach out to me directly if you'd like to have a free consultation, and I'll put together a real-time data and digital marketing strategy for your upcoming campaign. Thank you very much.